Good morning friends. A lot of patients nowadays are suffering with oligospermia. Oligospermia means low sperm count, and that's the reason the patient cannot be a father. And in this video we are not discussing about the reasons and the causes behind this. Only one reason, that is our wrong diet, or it may be smoking or alcohol, but we will discuss this later on. Today our scenario, our whole topic is how we can cover this oligospermia, or how we can enhance this sperm quality and quantity. See, we provide a oligospermia healer kit. How this oligospermia healer kit can heal a patient, I am explaining few points. Please listen it to very carefully. Oligospermia healer kit basically a combination of 4 type of herbs. What these herbs will do: number 1, it will increase the number of sperm cells, which are very essential for increasing the semen volume, and which is very essential for fertility, for making a baby. Number 2, volume. We have to increase the volume of the sperm also, volume of the semen also, so that from that volume we can make this sperm so fertile so that it can make the fertility happen. Number 3, active cells. Only number of sperms are not only necessary thing. We have to increase the active cells also, because when we have number of sperm cells are there but there is no active cells, then it will not create the fertility. It will not happen to make a child. So we have to make a focus on those type of specialized herbs in this oligospermia healer kit, so that it can increase the active cells also. Number 4, to decrease the sluggish and dead cells, because when active cells are less, more and more dead cells are there, more and more sluggish cells are there, we have to reduce the quantity of those cells also. Number 5, astheniospermia is also covered with this problem, because we have to increase the motility, we have to increase the capacity of walking of sperm cell. This is very much essential, because sometimes we need these things for a fertility to happen, because when sperms are adequate, when sperms are count are no problem, when active cells are not problem, but if motility is low, then again infertility is there. So we have to increase the fertility by increasing the motility of the sperm cells. Next, that is, we have to cover the erectile dysfunctioning also, because sometimes when our sperm qualities are low, we also develop such type of problems. We have to cover the erectile function also. Next, we have to cover the loss of libido also. Loss of libido means no interest in sexual activities, because when a person goes regular activity for this pleasure, for this fertility, for this conception, and no success is attained, then patient gradually slowly loses interest in efficiency cells. So we have to decrease the loss of libido and increase the libido by giving our oligospermia healer kit. Next, we have to increase the strength also, because we need body strength also, we have to increase mental strength also. Next, we have to increase stamina also. Stamina means if you want conception, and if there is you have to take for 1 or 2 times for a fertility sexual intercourse, then this stamina will also be increased by this oligospermia healer kit. Next, we have to increase the vigor also. In Ayurveda, vigor is basically a combination of 7 type of dhatus: ras, rakt, mas, med, asthi, majja, shukra. This again comprises of vigor. And last, along with all these things, we have to take the vitality also. We have to increase the vitality also. So my dear friends, please keep these points in your mind. It will increase your strength, vigor, vitality, and count, and volume, and erectile problem, and last, time problem also. Sometimes premature ejaculation is also there. It will also be covered by this problem. Thank you. You please stay tuned with our channel Ayurveda Yoga Ashram, and you will get all the information regarding all chronic diseases. Please like, share and subscribe our Ayurveda Yoga Ashram YouTube channel. Thank you.